So hi guys, welcome back to my next video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a home button on iPhone 6, 6 Plus, or 6S or 6S Plus. The process is same for all of these devices, just be sure to have the right part. I'm going to demonstrate the process on my iPhone 6, on which the home button doesn't work. As you can see, nothing happens. I'm going to turn it on this way, and you can anytime turn on a virtual home button by going to settings, general, accessibility, and here go to assistive touch, and you can just turn it on here, and that will turn on this little virtual thingy which you can use. But of course we're gonna replace the home button itself. Now there's a little disclaimer, the touch ID functionality will be lost, but the clicking the home button itself will be functional. So that's just one thing you want to keep in mind. But anyways, let's get into it.